Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think competitive math is nothing but dry equations, rigid textbook drills, and endless calculations that drain all the fun out of learning, get ready to change your mind completely. In this video, we launch into a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 5-6 puzzle called the Space Logic Puzzle, using pure logical thinking, creativity, and a clever elimination strategy instead of mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. Leo wants to spell the word space by using letters from the control panels. He can only take one letter from each panel. Which letter must Leo take from panel 4? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4, E. 5. This is the brief on solving the space logic puzzle. Your challenge is to spell the word space using exactly one letter from 5 different control panels, and we're going to crack it using the secret strategy. You know, when you're new to logic puzzles, staring at a giant wall of choices is totally overwhelming, so you really need foolproof gameplay. Think of it kind of like a domino rally. You just have to find that one correct linchpin domino to push, and the rest literally solves itself. First, find the bossiest panel. The secret strategy is locating the most restricted option, the panel with 0 alternative choices. Because panel 3 only contains the letter A, it's instantly locked in. Second, follow the domino effect. Since our A is officially spoken for by panel 3, look at panel 1. It only has an S and an A. Since A is already claimed, panel 1 is absolutely forced to give us the S. Finally, look for absolute restrictions. We still need a P, C, and E. So where can C come from? Aside from the giant wildcard panel 2, which has all the letters, C only exists in panel 4. If panel 4 takes C, it totally forces panel 5 to take E, which leaves that wildcard panel 2 to take P. It perfectly spells S-P-A-C-E. So the final answer is that Leo must take C from panel 4.
Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.